In this video, I will show you how to fix your iPhone cannot find Bluetooth devices on any iPhone. So let's get started. Now, first of all, just make sure that the Bluetooth device you're connected to is fully charged. I know this sounds very simple, but in many cases, people try to connect their iPhone to a Bluetooth device which is not yet charged. So make sure that the Bluetooth device is charged. Also make sure that the Bluetooth device is turned on, because your iPhone will not detect the Bluetooth device if it is not turned on. If you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then the next thing you can do is to open the control center, then open the connection section in the control center. From here, just tap on airplane mode and turn it on. Now just wait for a few seconds and tap on airplane mode and turn it off and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now if this also did not fix your issue, then go to settings and tap on general. And from here, you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on reset. Now from here, just select reset network settings. Then tap on reset network settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the network settings of your iPhone. Now for the next method, you will need the password of the parental controls on your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls on your iPhone, just go to settings and tap on screen time. And from here, just tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now if content and privacy restrictions is enabled on your iPhone, just turn it off from here. Now it might ask you to enter the password of the parental controls. Just enter the password of the parental controls and turn it off. Now after you do that, then go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. If this also did not fix your issue, then you might have enabled a setting in your iPhone which might be causing this issue. To fix that issue, just go to settings and tap on general. From here, just tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. Now this time, just select reset all settings. Then tap on reset all settings. And by doing that, you will reset all the settings on your iPhone. And this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the settings of your iPhone. But if this also did not fix your issue, then try to connect your Bluetooth device to another phone and check if it connects or not, because the issue might be in your Bluetooth device. But if your Bluetooth device connects to the other phone, then this could be a software glitch in your iPhone. To fix this issue, just go to settings and tap on general. From here, just tap on software update. Now just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, if you have updated the software of your iPhone and if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix your iPhone cannot connect to a Bluetooth device on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.